it's me, Jake. You guess what I'm making today? Right, it's hot dog! Those are the ingredients. You need lettuce, fresh lettuce, ketchup, mustard, bread, sausage, onion, and some tomato. Let's get started! Before you do all the steps, make sure you wash everything. This step, you need to fry the onion, but the pan is hot, so make sure you ask your grown-up for help. This is my mom. Very nice. This step, you need to cut the tomato in half. Then you can fit in the sandwich. This step, you need to pick whatever sausage you like, but I like cheddar cheese sausage. Remember, ask your grown-up for help. Now we need to put the ingredients with the sausage. I put some couple tomato. This step, you need to add some ketchup and mustard, but you need to shake it. Shake a shake! Shake, shake. You need to wrap it and get a big bite.